Have you ever heard people talking about artificial intelligence and thought, that sounds amazing, but where do I even start? You're not alone. AI is changing everything about how we live and work. Yet for many people, it still feels confusing or out of reach. That's exactly why I created this course, to make AI simple, clear, and completely approachable for everyone. Hi, I'm Steve Buckner, a Microsoft certified trainer and Azure Solutions architect with over 25 years of experience in IT and education. Throughout my career, I've helped countless people and organizations understand technology with confidence. Now, I'm here to help you do the same with artificial intelligence. No jargon, no coding, just calm, practical learning that anyone can follow. In this beginner-friendly AI course, you'll learn how to use popular tools like ChatGPT and Google Gemini through clear explanations and real demonstrations that show exactly how AI can help in everyday life. You'll practice writing powerful prompts, automating simple tasks, and boosting creativity with hands-on examples. And you'll get a complete set of takeaway materials, including an AI glossary, an AI action guide, a prompting cheat sheet, and even an audio companion you can take with you anywhere. You're not alone on this journey. I'll be available to help and support you along the way. You don't need to be techie to start, just curious and ready to learn. By the end of this course, you'll feel confident using AI as a personal assistant, creative partner, and productivity booster. So if you're ready to take your first steps into artificial intelligence and see how simple and empowering it can be, enroll today and let's get started together.